So we are here in one of the most beautiful countries on the world, Switzerland, where it's not just about the beauty, it's not just about the nature, it's also about the football. I don't know if you're aware or no, but Switzerland also has the FIFA headquarters of the world. FIFA World Cup 2026 is coming up and Lenovo has decided to partner with FIFA in order to give us the best experience possible when it comes to all the technology side of things. So I am here in the headquarters. You can just have a quick look around. I'll be taking you guys through all of the new updates that Lenovo and FIFA have created to deliver the best possible experience. Stay tuned. This is going to be very, very interesting. This is me, Yash, and you're watching Digit Show. Now, when you think of football, you think of passion, chaos, last-minute goals. But inside FIFA headquarters, the conversation sounds very different. It's about AI, data, infrastructure, and systems running at insane scale. Everywhere you look inside the facility, it's powered by Lenovo laptops, servers, Motorola devices, back-end systems, and even support for some non-Lenovo tech. Basically, they're building the digital backbone of how a modern World Cup will function. And what really stood out is that they're not just trying to add technology to the football. Instead, they're using tech to fix actual problems. One of the biggest examples of that is something every football fan has argued about at least once: offside decisions. Right now, VAR or Video Assistant Referee does the job, but it doesn't feel convincing. You see those weird grey robotic player models, and even if the decision is correct, it just doesn't feel right. And that's exactly the problem Valerio Rizzo is trying to solve. He's leading this entire 3D digital avatar project, and the idea is simple. Don't change the decision-making system, just change how it's shown. So instead of those generic models, what they're building are digital twins of actual players. And I'm not talking about rough approximations. These are full 3D reconstructions, body proportions, face, hair, everything. So when you see an offside replay, you're not looking at placeholders anymore. You're literally looking at the exact player in the exact moment. And suddenly, it feels real. Now the obvious question is, how do you even build something like this at this scale? The answer is very, very clever. Instead of massive Hollywood-style setups, Lenovo has built these compact scanning chambers with around 36 cameras. A player walks in, and within milliseconds, they're scanned. The heavy processing happens later inside the cloud where AI reconstructs the entire model. And here's where it gets interesting. They're using something called 3D Gaussian splatting. Basically, instead of building a model like a solid object, they recreate it using millions of tiny particles, each carrying data like color, depth, and position. And when it all comes together, you get something that looks incredibly close to reality. The existing semi-automated offside technology still does all the tracking and calculations. And honestly, that's just a much smarter approach. But this partnership goes way beyond just visuals. I also got to sit down with Santiago Manso, the man who's leading this entire collaboration from Lenovo's side. And in the discussion, he told me about a bunch of other things that Lenovo will be doing differently. Referees will have body cams giving you a first-person view of the game. But obviously, human movement is shaky. So AI stabilizes the footage in real time, making it smooth enough to actually broadcast. And behind all of this, there's something even bigger: the intelligent command center where all of the important tech experts will be seated. The system doesn't just react, it predicts the impact and responds instantly. But here's the tricky part. Fans don't want to feel like the game is becoming robotic or overly commercialized. So the challenge is impact. And Lenovo's approach is simple. Don't make AI feel like marketing. Make it useful. And if it helps fans understand the game better, engage deeper, and feel more connected, then it works. From realistic 3D avatars to real-time analytics, from immersive broadcast to intelligent operations, this is what future of football looks like. And the 2026 World Cup might be the moment where it all comes together. One thing that is for sure is that Switzerland is a very, very beautiful place. And second, the madness that around billions of people have for football, it's just insane. And if anybody has the love for sport, they will definitely agree that technology can definitely make it better. And if it is making better, that is what Lenovo is doing here. So we'll have a look at how technology makes its way through a lot of chaos that usually happens in FIFA World Cup. But yeah, this will be interesting to see how the first AI-enabled World Cup takes place.